Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of regex functions in Excel to extract email addresses from text. This is super useful for data analysis and cleaning up your spreadsheets. Let's get started. Here is an example of our data. We have a list of projects and next steps for each. So here our goal is to extract the email addresses from these text entries. So what we are going to today, we will use the power of regex functions to extract email addresses. Specifically, we will use the regex extract function, handle cases with multiple email address and deal with any missing emails in cells. First, let's understand what regex functions are. Regex are regular expressions and patterns used to match character combinations in text. They are incredibly powerful for finding and extracting specific information from strings. In Excel, the regex extract function is used to extract matching substrings based on a regular expression pattern. The syntax is very simple. So equal to regex extract, and we have to select our text and we have to input the pattern. Now let me show you a basic example. Let's say we have the text like send the latest update to Jairaj at jairaj.or@visapana.com. Since I don't know the pattern, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Let's see how the ChatGPT is going to help us. So here I am going to type regex pattern to extract email, enter. This is the thing we want. This is the pattern we want. Now I'm going to our example sheet. So here our goal is we are going to extract only the email addresses from the cells, right? Equal to regex extract. Now first thing we have to select our text. Select the text, comma. Now we have to insert the pattern. The pattern should be within a double quotation, okay? Double quotation, close the bracket, click enter. It is nothing showing. Okay, give me a second. First we have to insert our pattern, right? So I just copy this code. Now go back to our Excel sheet, double click in the middle of double quotation, Control V, click enter. Here you go. Okay, so within a second we extract email address from that cell. But in our second cell, you can see there are two email addresses in that cell. So how can we extract two email addresses from that cell? For the thing, we are going to use text join function to extract both not only the both. If you have multiple email addresses in the same cell, we can extract. Okay. Now I am going to use text join. So text join. So first we have to give the delimiter, double quotation, comma. So whatever you want you can put. I'm just using a comma. So here we can ignore any empty cells. Now regex extract function, and here we have to select all matches. Okay, we have to select all the matches. Close the bracket, click enter. Here you go. We will extract multiple email addresses in the same cell. Okay. Now I'm just copy and I'm going to paste here. Okay. Just delete empty cell. Okay. We don't have any email addresses in the specific cell, so we don't want to show user to see the any error message. So for that reason, I'm going to use if error function. If error. And comma, double quotation, no emails. Okay. Double quotation, close the bracket, click enter. So copy and paste. Here you go. So this is how we can use regex extract function. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.